Good morning, guys. What is going on? I'm back with another video. We're gonna vlog today. Hopefully, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I came to my college, right? Because I don't really have anything else to do this morning. I think I'm about to get yelled at. No, I'm not. Just kidding. He's putting salt down. Anyways, where I was, about 30, not even 30 minutes, like 20 minutes away from my college here, there was like no ice, all right? I mean, there was a little bit, but it's all gone already because this happened on Saturday night and it's Monday now. And I was like, I got a text last night saying they closed campus and we're gonna late start. So that'll be at 11 o'clock this morning because there's icy conditions. And I was like, I don't know exactly what icy conditions are talking about. So I drove here, which is a little farther south, and I guess they got a lot more here than we did where I was because it is so bad here. It is treacherous. They're doing things now, so I'm gonna have to move. I'm just gonna turn this around and we're gonna take a look together. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. I have a wide lens on right now, but that is all ice. And I don't know if you can see, but way over there, that guy has a tractor and he's putting salt down on that parking lot. I was just over there about 10 minutes ago. And that parking lot is 10 times, whoops, an accident. I was over there about 10 minutes ago and that parking lot is 10 times worse than this one is. And you can see this one is like, over there's no brake lines. It's like straight ice. Like up there, like right there, there's no brakes in the ice. And over there, it's just a sheet on that parking lot. It's absolutely terrible this morning. Oh my gosh, I smashed my camera into that car. Sorry about this lighting too, it's pretty bad. I just kind of pulled in here, but I am gonna have to move because that guy's salting that lot, so I know he's gonna wanna come over here and salt this one. I'm kind of waiting, it's 8:23. I'm waiting for the library to open. I'm sorry, I keep smashing my camera into the car. I'm waiting for the library to open, which is not the campus library, but the library in this town that I'm in. Other news, I got the 10 to 18 mil, which is on the camera right now. I'm super stoked. I picked that up on Saturday. I got such a deal on this camera, guys. It is insane what kind of deal I got on this. I got it off Craigslist and this girl had never opened it. I mean, she opened it, but it was new. She never even put it on a camera. I got it for 200 bucks, which is, it's about $100 cheaper than what I would have gotten it if I bought it new. I'm getting into real estate photography like I talked about before, and it's such a good lens for it. I've already tested it out a little bit. Let me tell you, it's so good, it's so wide. Makes every space look massive, even if it's not. I mean, just like look at my car. This is all the way out at 10 mil, and then this is the 18 mil. But I really like right in here, about 14 mil. Just look how big everything is. It's just huge. Let's take a good look outside. And I keep turning my wipers on. I'm kind of chilling right now. It's 8:25, and we're gonna go to the library in this city that I'm in, and we'll see how that is. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, I wanted to kind of do like a quick ride along in this parking lot of how slick it actually is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn off my traction control. Just watch the revs, right? And I got like nowhere. I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm gonna like go ahead and turn here. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay. All right, we're gonna go ahead and not do that because we're gonna get so much trouble. It's pretty bad out here, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and leave before I get yelled at. Now I have to wait 25 minutes to go inside and I really have to pee. So that's an issue. Well, I'm not gonna bore you anymore because there's nothing to do in this car. Adios. I guess I'll just take this time while I'm chilling in my car to talk to you guys a little bit about what's up and coming on my channel. Hopefully we'll be vlogging more. I really wanna try to get some more videos out there because I'm lacking in that department. I only have 2 videos up right now as I'm making this, but I plan on going into the library and like editing the one from the other day and posting that one, hopefully this afternoon. And then this vlog should go up tomorrow if everything goes out correctly. Why did it get so dark? And I turned my wipers on again, oh my God. So it's really tough for me to kind of, to put content out. I'm not gonna make excuses. I can totally do it. I can totally do it. I just need to do it more. Dude, this guy just almost hit my car. He almost hit my car just now. That was super sketch. It says US Lawns on his truck. I don't know if he's checked, recently or not, but the grass right now doesn't really need to be mowed. I just realized that I had autofocus off again. But if you look at the grass right now, you can see that it's white, and that's actually because it's frozen. So I don't know whose grass he's mowing right now. But it's definitely not this grass. Yeah.
Akon, black diamonds, backpack rhyming, co-signing by Louis Vuitton.
I said while ago I wanted to get that video out this afternoon, and I actually got it out already. So that's on the channel. I'll probably like put that on the screen here, maybe, I don't know if I will or not. It's just talking about like my gear and like what I want to get and stuff, which in this video now, I've already gotten one of the things. I'm waiting on the other thing to be shipped here. So I just got out of biology, I had to come to school for that, and now I'm done for the day. So I think I'm gonna go get some pump on at the gym. I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'll see you guys later. I get to do my favorite thing, get gas. Woo. 22 bucks to fill my car. Now I wanted to talk about this really fast. I think it's hilarious when people complain about the price of gas now because it's like $2. And before, I remember back when it was like 4 something, that was ridiculous. I can see that, but when people complain now, it's like, do you not remember what it used to be at? And thankfully, I wasn't driving back then, so like, I didn't have to worry about that, but I just remember the struggle for everyone that I knew. My sister was driving then. That was expensive for a teenager, so yeah, sidebar. We have arrived, and we now have actually gas, so that's good. I just want you guys to like take a second and look how sad this is. I am back from the gym. I had a super awesome workout. It felt really good to get in there and pump a little bit. I'm gonna try to hit the gym every single day this week. That's my goal. We'll see how that goes. Things get busy and then I'm like, oh, I don't know if I wanna go. It's been a long day, but I'm gonna try to push through it and I'm gonna try to hit it every single day this week. But now I'm gonna go home. And I guess we'll talk there. My phone just said 20 minutes to get home. Is that a challenge? Because I think I can do it quicker. "16 minutes. What'd I tell y'all?" And it's so freaking slick out there. I want to be a ricer for like just a second. Alright, that was good enough. I'm home. Wha-bam. Hello? No one responded. It's because nobody's home. That's right. I have the house to myself. I kind of have like the rest of the day here to do homework and just kind of chillax, which is like pretty awesome, honestly. That doesn't happen very often. I'm probably going to take a shower. Actually, no, I'm gonna eat, take a shower, make some coffee, and then we'll see. We'll see what happens. This is the reason I got this lens, right? Like, look how wide the spaces look. I mean, this is all the way at 10 mil, but let me go down to like 12. I mean, this is a pretty big room, but I plan on doing all kinds of stuff. I wanna go to some model homes. Oh, bam. Wow, so orange. I wanna go to some model homes and shoot some model homes because they're so staged and they all look super good. I wanna do another test shoot of this room. It's kinda dark in here right now because I don't have any lights on. Or like this room. This room will probably look really good lighting wise right now because, oh yes. You bet. I'm gonna eat some food. I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. This vlog is probably getting really long at this point. Most of it though has been sitting in my car, so I'm trying to like do some stuff. Oh, that was super hard. Let's see what we have. Even makes my refrigerator look huge. Like, whoa, man. I just finished lunch, and I know what some of you guys are thinking, and you're probably gonna like judge me super hardcore for eating Stouffer's macaroni and cheese that's like 600 calories or 660 calories after I went to the gym. You're like, dude, he does not a fit body, he doesn't do anything very good. Well, rest assured, if I eat something that bad, I always make sure I follow it up with something really healthy. So, and I mean, in this, for instance, I don't know what that is, but we have some Doritos here. Oh my god, that was so scary. But I got some Doritos here, a little bit healthier option. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some of those. I'm just kidding. I did eat 2 Doritos, but I'll eat a banana because it's good for restoring muscle. All right, so I found that there's like an extremely easy way to tell if you had a good workout for like upper body wise. And that's like when you go to take a shower and you try to like wash your hair or like dry your hair afterwards, and you can like barely move your arms back and forth, and that's because like your whole upper body is like destroyed. That's when you know you had a good workout. And I feel like holding this camera up is like getting really difficult, so that's good, I guess. It's really nice outside, and we're just gonna like look together, right? It looks really nice out. And you can see like all that snow. When I drove in, that snow was so slick. And then like if we go over here too, I didn't drive up this way, but like that's a straight sheet of ice right there. So good luck. I don't know if like driving up that is even possible right now because it's literally glistening. It's like straight glistening in the sun. So yeah. Gotta make a quick pot of brew. Quick Starbucks plug. Pike Place roast. This is the stuff, guys. Go get it. Walmart's got it. All kinds of places. Starbucks, if you want to, you can sponsor me. That's totally fine with me. I guess I'll make time for you. It's kind of hard. That'd be a little bit of a hassle for me. But it's really okay if you want to. I'm thinking we definitely want it bold. For sure. We gotta get that caffeination going. Oh, that's good coffee. That's really good coffee. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't really have anything else to do today. This lighting is like super natural. I don't really have much else to do today. I'm probably just gonna hunker down, drink my beloved coffee here. Probably just do some homework. I've got so much. I'm drowning in homework, guys. I am drowning. Nothing's really due immediately, but I just have so much stuff to do, and it's kind of overwhelming. So I'm probably gonna hunker down for the next like 4 or 5 hours and just try to bust out as much stuff as I can. Yeah, I will be back tomorrow, and we will do another vlog, hopefully. I might be back tomorrow, we'll see. Work days for me are kind of like really anticlimactic. There's not much going on those days, so like I don't know what to vlog. I might have a video tomorrow, I might not, we'll see. This video will actually be coming out tomorrow because I almost knocked this lamp over just now. But anyways, I'm gonna end it off here. My arm is getting really tired from holding this camera up, and I'm gonna drink my coffee and do some homework, so I'll see you guys. Bye. I almost forgot. Be sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. I'm gonna be going on a lot of trips coming up, so make sure you definitely subscribe and hit that. I think they like YouTube changed it, but there used to be a notification bell, but there's like something else you have to do now. I just don't know what it is. So like do whatever you gotta do to be notified when I come out with a new video, because there's gonna be some sweet edits coming out soon, very soon. All right, I'll leave you, bye.